So the first team that has been qualified is the, the team of Taksang Kaijale School. Is Lower Being School. 7th Days Adventist School. The last participating school is from HP Khattiora Heritage School, the team of Darsh Shetty and Rashika Thakal. The numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each team will pick a chit inside. The number that they will pick number 1. Okay, so they have been allocated the first number. Tarethang. To the team of Lower Biring. So before I start, I would like to start with the proverb. Knowledge is like a garden. If it is not cultivated, you cannot harvest it. So, rules and guidelines for the participants. You all will get one question each in one round. The first round is of Sikkim's round. There you will get 2 questions. But then after that round, you all will be getting 1 question each. And each questions carry 10 marks. Each question carries 10 marks. The time limit is 30 seconds. And in case if there is a wrong answer attempted, the question will be passed. Science, India's independence, books and authors, capitals, picture round, and last one is the fire round, the rapid fire round. School, who was the last Chogyal of Sikkim? Ultimately, it gets passed to the Seventh Day Adventist Academy. Balden Thondup Namgyal. Let's reveal the answer if it's true or false. It is indeed the true answer, right answer. So, Sikkim became the 22nd state of India in which year? Year. 1975, correct answer. So, where was the first capital of Sikkim?
Yaksham.
Okay, Yaksham is the right answer. Which district in Sikkim became India's first organic fisheries cluster? Which district in Sikkim became India's first organic fisheries cluster? To Lower Biring School. For the past question, the time limit is 10 seconds. Gazing is the wrong answer. Namchi is also the wrong answer.
Soaring district.
Soaring district, and the answer is Soaring district. So the question, Sikkim's first airport inaugurated in 2018 is known by what name? Pakyong Airport. Something is missing, so this is the wrong answer. Ultimately, the question gets passed. If you want to skip, you can skip. Yeah, you can say pass. Heritage School.
Greenfield Pakyong Airport.
It's Pakyong Greenfield Airport. Okay, so Adventist School. Mount Kanchenjunga in Sikkim holds which position among the highest mountains in the world?
Second.
That is the wrong answer.
Third.
Third is the right answer. So Mount Kanchan, highest peak in the world, is the highest motorable road in Sikkim is dash, located at an altitude of 4,310 meters, that is 14,140 feet. So that is the highest motorable Taksang Primary School. Do you know the answer? You may skip it if you don't. Okay, you want to skip? What about Lower Piring School? Try? No. Seventh Day Adventist School. You want to skip it? Okay. Skipping. So anyone from the audience? Okay. Let me answer this question. So the answer is Nathula Pass. So the next question to Taksang Kaisari Primary School. So this is the last question in this segment. When did Sikkim host the B20 meeting under India's G20 presidency? In which year, in which date, in which month? To be exact. When did Sikkim host the B20 meeting under India's G20 presidency? 16th May is right, but the year is wrong. G20, it was a recent affair. If the question gets passed, you want to attempt? Do you want to make an attempt? Very right answer. That is 16 May 2023. So that it is March. It is. So the first question goes to HP Khatioda Heritage School. Of the human body has 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars. It is very close, but it is wrong answer. The question gets passed to Taksang School. Question gets passed to Lower Piring School.
Right.
That is the wrong answer. Nose.
Go back.
Teeth is the right answer. A human has 32 sets of teeth, including incisors, canines, molars, and premolars, which earns Days Adventist of 5 points. So the next question for Taksang Kaisari Primary School. What is the process of a caterpillar becoming a butterfly? So the caterpillar has to undergo a process before it becomes a butterfly. So what process is that? Time's up. The question gets passed.
Don't give a lot of time for fast. If they answer.
Okay, pass.
You yourself.
That is, it comes under that, which is the wrong answer. So what about SP Khatioda Heritage School? Do you know the answer? So okay, she wants to make it. That is the wrong answer. So the question has been left unanswered. Audience from anyone, quickly. Okay, Kriti. Yes. Very well. So Metamorphosis is the right answer. It is a famous book written by a famous author also. Metamorphosis. So So we move on to the next question to lower bidding school. What is H2O commonly known as? What is H2O commonly known as? So what can that be? That is the wrong answer, so it gets passed.
Water.
Water is the right answer, so we get 5 points. So, the last question to 7th Day Adventist Academy in this segment. The question is, which instrument is used to measure a person's heartbeat? Stethoscope is the right answer. In the next segment, that is India's independence. Okay, so the first question is, which Indian freedom fighter founded the National Azad Hind Fauj, which is also known as Indian National Army? Azad Hind Fauj.
Bhagat Singh.
That is a good guess, but it's the wrong answer. Very well, this is the right answer. So Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is indeed the one who formed the INA. So the next question goes to HP Kathiawar Heritage School. The first War of Indian Independence is also known by what name? So it has 2 names. Very well, this is indeed the right answer. The revolt of 1857, or it can be named as the Sepoy Mutiny. HP Kathiawar gets 10 points. Next question to Taksang Kainjali Primary School. So, if Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem, what is our national song? The national song of India. National song. Very well, Vande Mataram is the right answer. So this means they get 10 points. So the last question to this in this segment for lower bidding school. So the Constitution of India came into effect on which date in 1950? So the Constitution of India came into effect on which date in the year 1950? January is the right answer. So the segment of India's independence gets over. The marks are getting calculated. Now the next segment we have books and authors. So the first question will be asked to Taksang Kainjali Primary School. Sikkim, who won the prestigious Sahitya Akademi Award for his book Chichimira. Who is the author?
Don't be noise.
Think. So they wish the question gets passed. So it gets passed to lower bidding school. Okay, so Sri Yuva Baral has been conferred the prestigious Sahitya Akademi Award for his book. Okay, and they get 5 points. So the next question for lower bidding school. Okay, so it's a little twisted question. I am an Indian author. My famous works include Malgudi Days, Swami and Friends, A Guide, etc. Who am I? Meaning, who is the writer of these books? He is an Indian author, very famous. So the question gets passed to 7th Day Academy. That is wrong answer. So it gets passed again. One try, hit and go. Germain is the right answer. So the next question in this segment to 7th day school. Famous children's book, The Jungle Book. Who is the author? Very well answered. It is indeed the right answer. Rudyard Kipling. So the next question, that is the last question in this segment, to HP Khatiyora Heritage School. So Anne Frank was a young Jewish girl who went into hiding during World War II and wrote about her experiences in a diary that later became famous worldwide. What was the title of her diary? That is wrong answer. You want to make a try?
Yeah.
Okay, Ahana.
German diaries.
Yes.
German diaries.
Okay, Sanjana, last attempt. Very well answered. So this is the right answer. The Diary of a Young Girl.